Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock phone if forgot password. So here you can see enter your password, and if we tap here you can see wrong password. So how to unlock phone if forgot password? So the solution is hard reset. If you do hard reset your phone, it will unlock your phone. So here I have Moto G85 5G in my hand, and guys, on top right corner a card is available where I provide you the link of playlist how to hard reset. Just go there and check your model and see how to hard reset it. To do this hard reset, if we you can see, if we try to power it off, you can see it is asking for password first. You can see I am trying to power it off, and you can see it is asking for password first. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the volume down and power key together until it turn off. Now release and now press the volume down key, press and hold it, and you can see it will send you in fast boot mode. You can see now you are in fast boot flash mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. And you can see no command. Now simply press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. So now you are in Android recovery mode. Now go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe off all user data. This cannot be undone. So here go to factory data reset and confirm. Kindly wait, it is formatting data. It might take some time, so kindly wait, and do not do any other operation during hard reset. So here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. And if it doesn't have any previously logged in Google account, simply follow the setup to start the phone. So guys, this is the method to factory reset, to reset phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.